What is nature? The phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or human creation. The cause of environmental destruction: exhaust gas from factories and auto emission. The main air pollutants are sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, ozone, and lead. The highest concentration of lead in the environment come from a variety of chemicals including gasoline, paints, ceramics, and batteries. Next, the cause of environmental destruction are transport. There have been a tremendous surge in private vehicles in recent times. The more cars, the more the rate of pollution causing smoke. Smoke is the result of vehicle pollution and hydrocarbons released from engines are the cause of creation of lower level ozone that is harmful to humans. Who is the cause of environmental destruction? Human actions results in destruction of nature. Habitat destruction occurs when natural habitats are no longer able to support the species present, resulting in the displacement or destruction of its biodiversity. What can we do to help to prevent this happen? Construct building above flood level. Should construct all new buildings 1 meter from the ground to prevent flood damage, and conventional defense had to be supplemented with more innovative methods to lower the risk of future disaster. Grow more trees. To protect ourselves from flood, when the roots of the tree absorb the more amount of water and the much safe for us. Burning in an open area should avoid, which causes air pollution and health issues to humans. Trashes should throw according to its element in the prepared dustbin. Save our world by making small efforts.